Hello everyone, good evening. Today's date is 12th of October 2021. My name is Akash Babar. Our today's video topic is strings in Java. So today we will discuss string in details. Firstly, we will discuss what is meant by actually string. Then we will see what are the data types used in that string. Then we will see what are the types of strings classes are used. Then we will see how actually string creates string stored in heap memory, or how variables can be accessed as reference. So we will discuss each and everything in detail. So let's start. String is a group of string is actually a group of characters. So in that group of characters, there are group of characters. If you see one a short example, if you want to create a string hello, that is the hello are the group of characters that are the five characters are used. So that is HELLO, that is the five number of characters are used. So that is the array of the characters, used to create an string. So actually in that there are two types of data types are used. That is, first one is primitive data type and second one is non-primitive data type. So in string only non-primitive data types are used. So then we will discuss how actually in string quotes are used. When we create a character, single character, we will use only single quote. And when we create a multiple characters or sequence of characters in string, we uses double quote. So that is the use of actually single quote and double quote. Then we will see what are the strings used. There are multiple types of strings are used. String class, second one string buffer, string buffer. So what are the actually what are the string class? So we will discuss in detail. In string class, actually, if we see string class, objects are created with the help of string. So what is meant by object? In the object, actually group of characters are stored or group of characters are created. So actually that is the main function of string class. In string class, firstly JVM, if you want to create a string, firstly JVM checks whether it is actually present in SCP or not. If it is actually already present, then only it gives reference of that string. And if it is not actually available, then it creates new type of string. So if we see, the question arises, what is the SCP? SCP is string control pool. So what is meant by string control pool? There are two types of memory used in Java. That is heap memory. It is a type of heap memory. SCP is a type of heap memory that is used to store a string objects. So if we see string classes, there are SCP is the main used for storage of that string. If we see with new example, if you want to create a new string, if we use new keyword for the string, then it is stored in heap memory, and object of that also stored in SCP. So that is the use of that new keyword in that string. So if we see the properties of the properties of string, that quotes, double quotes are always used. Non-primitive types are used in string. Then there is one thing, that is final. It is a final type of string. If we create a string in a string class, it is always a final. We cannot change it. If once created, we cannot change it. So that is the another property of string. In string, we have to use, as I earlier said, we have to use only non-primitive data types. We cannot use primitive data types. And if we want, it is a array of characters. It is an array of characters. So that's all for today. Thank you.